Thank you. The Connecticut trucking industry says the DOT is wrecking their fleets.
While admitting that the chemicals used to treat the roads is very effective, the industry says it's also costing them a bundle and they would like some help. Chief Political Correspondent Mark Davis joins us live with more on this tonight. Mark.
Hi, Anna Keith. Good evening, everyone from the Hartford newsroom. Yeah, another storm on the way and tons more salt headed for the roadways, and something else that the truckers say is much worse. Business is way up at places that repair the big rigs, like Gabrielli's in Hartford and Milford.
Just recently, since they started using the different treatments for the road, we started to see the frames. Any vehicle, you could see the paint and some of this upper layer of steel on the frame rails just corrode right off.
But the truck fleet operators say it's not so much from the salt on the roads as it is the magnesium. The DOT uses a liquid mixture of salty water and magnesium on the roads after the storms start. The pre-treatment is just salty water. The magnesium is added later during a storm and is very effective, but it is very corrosive.
You can start to see that there where that's starting to corrode off on the canister itself.
Oh yeah, right, this round thing.
Yeah. Those are exposed to all the road elements sitting right out there.
Corroded truck parts were laid out in front of state lawmakers today to make the point. The magnesium salt mixture is destroying vital parts like brakes and electrical systems on the undercarriage. The DOT admits it's affecting their fleet as well.
The fact is that our vehicles, as well as others, have seen corrosion, but there's a real balance between keeping our roads safe and that corrosive materials.
Bob Hamilton is fleet maintenance director for Pizzuto's, the biggest truck fleet in the state.
The safety aspects that they're focusing on are roughly 20 days during a calendar year. And what they're putting down is impacting the safe operation of vehicles for 365.
Now, the head of the largest trucking association, the Connecticut Motor Transport Association, is suggesting that lawmakers use the idea of suspending the sales tax on truck parts for a while until this solution is solved or still some solution is found. Others are saying perhaps the DOT, as other states have done, Maine and Colorado, should consider putting a rust inhibitor in the road treatment as well, although there's no conclusive evidence that that actually works. The state DOT says the truckers should be washing and treating their vehicles, and that's actually going on too. Live from the Hartford newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.